If you're lucky enough to have purchased a used 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro with the Intel i9 processor and 64 gigabyte of RAM for a great price, the first thing you should consider doing is installing the Monterey operating system on it. If you are a connoisseur of Intel MacBook Pro computers, you know that this operating system is optimized for this hardware configuration. But the challenge is that if you were to go to the App Store and search for macOS Monterey, you won't be able to find it. It's not here. The solution that has always worked really well for me and is relatively simple is to open a terminal session in your Mac and then run this software update command exactly as it is. The last version of Monterey is 12.7.6. Now, this will take a few minutes to download. Once that command finish downloading the installer, go to your applications folder. There will be an application called Monterey Installer or something to that effect. You simply double click it and it'll install the operating system for you. Now that will take a few minutes. Okay, so now for a few caveats. If you are a developer and you need to install Xcode for other things to work on the Mac, Monterey does not work with the latest version of Xcode, obviously, right? So then you need to download and install Xcode version 14.2, 14.2. And you can install that version of Xcode. Xcode is an IDE, integrated development environment. I will provide you with this link in the video description. This is the official Apple website for older versions of Xcode. It can be kind of challenging to try and find on your own. The other thing is that you do not want to allow the operating system to automatically upgrade to the latest operating system, because anything other than the latest Monterey OS will burn up the hardware. This hardware, like I said before, is optimized for um, Monterey. Upgrading to operating systems that are meant for the Silicon Mac will be not good for your MacBook over the long term because it'll run just way, way too hot. Okay? But other than that, it's a great machine um, for the price point that you can pick it up for. I would not buy, honestly, I would not buy this machine for over $400. Um, if if it's over $400, I don't think that's a good deal at all. You can find these at basement bargain prices. Okay. Okay, my dear friends, if you like what I have to say, please consider liking and subscribing the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.